if I told you that the 2025 Tesla Model 3 Performance might just embarrass some of the most iconic supercars on the road today? No, this isn't just another EV hype train. This is real. The numbers are in, and Tesla's latest upgrade to the Model 3 Performance isn't just about efficiency. It's about raw, unfiltered speed. But is it really the supercar killer people are claiming? Buckle up, because today we're breaking down exactly why the Tesla Model 3 Performance 2025 is rewriting the rules of performance sedans. First off, let's talk about the look. Tesla has always embraced a minimalist, aerodynamic design, but the 2025 Model 3 Performance takes it up a notch. The new front fascia, sharper, more aggressive, and optimized for downforce. The headlights, slimmer and more futuristic. And then there's that subtle, yet noticeable carbon fiber spoiler at the rear, whispering, no, shouting, this thing means business. But here's the real game changer, the track-focused aero kit. This isn't just for aesthetics. Tesla has fine-tuned every inch for better airflow and stability at high speeds. And let's not forget those lightweight forged wheels, reducing unsprung weight for sharper handling. All right, let's get into the real reason you're here, the numbers. The 2025 Model 3 Performance now packs an all-new tri-motor setup, directly influenced by Tesla's Plaid technology. The result? A 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 2.8 seconds. Yeah, let that sink in. That's faster than a Lamborghini Huracan Evo. Faster than a McLaren 570S in a four-door sedan. And it's not just about straight-line speed. Tesla has completely reworked the chassis tuning and suspension, incorporating adaptive dampers and a wider stance for better cornering grip. Pair that with a revised torque vectoring system, and you've got a car that doesn't just launch like a rocket. It sticks through the bends. Oh, and braking? Huge carbon ceramic rotors ensure this beast comes to a halt as quickly as it takes off. Let's take a step back and talk about the bigger picture. The Model 3 has been a disruptor since day one, democratizing EV performance. But now, Tesla isn't just competing with BMW M3S and Audi RS5S. It's picking fights with Ferrari and Porsche. Imagine pulling up to a track day, and your $60,000 electric sedan is hanging with, or even beating, six-figure supercars. It's a cultural shift, and it's happening now. Now, where does the 2025 Model 3 Performance fit in the grand scheme of things? Well, this might just be Tesla's best driver's car yet. We're talking about a car that's faster, smarter, and still relatively affordable. And if this is what Tesla can do in 2025, imagine what's coming in 2030. The line between supercar and family car is blurring faster than ever. So what do you think? Is the 2025 Tesla Model 3 Performance the supercar killer it's being hyped up to be? Or is there still a gap between EVs and true enthusiast cars? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Hit that like button. And if you love content like this, subscribe to Torque Update for the latest automotive news and deep dives. Until next time, keep your foot down and your eyes on the road.